It's now been one full week of working on my game so far. We started out with just a single coin in the first video, and since then we've added a lot of things. Currently our player is able to explore the full world using 3 different abilities that we have added: Super Jump, Super Speed, and Super Marble. Currently all the abilities have a cooldown timer that's indicated in the top right hand corner. Right now we have particle effects for the Super Speed ability that turn from red to yellow. The only sound effect we've added so far is for whenever the player jumps. In the top left hand corner we have a working coin counter. Whenever we collect a coin, it will add 1 to this count. This will be later added to the shop to where we can buy our power ups instead of having infinite. We also have an NPC that will let us talk to him. At the moment he's a little broken and likes to fly off the map sometimes. The last thing to cover is the canvas. We have 2 separate sprites, dirt and grass, and then if we go out here we have actual grass. The dirt and grass sprites were done with Piscale, and currently the grass texture will have to be changed later because I just used a free one that I found online for now. Our biggest problem at the moment is our code. Most of everything is run on the player controller script, but later on I'll be going and changing everything to have its own script instead of all running off the player controller. We have a few plans for week 2. First, we need to add sound effects for all of our abilities and whenever you hit the ground after a jump. Second, we'll be making sure the shop works to where we can buy our power-ups. And finally, we're going to add our first level. Right now we have a few long-term plans. First, we will be releasing a demo after we finish our first level. This will allow me to see what players like and don't like, so I'll know exactly what to change later on. The current plan is to have 4 separate maps where you have to beat all the marbles in each map to make it to the next one. Our final long-term goal is to release the game on Steam once it's finished. That's it for this devlog. I'd like to thank everybody for watching the video, and I'd like to thank all 15 of our subscribers. If anybody has any suggestions for the videos or for the game itself, just let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.